The theme of this Congress, Cities for All, in my view, is very appropriate as India and other similarly placed emerging economies gear up to meet the growing challenges of urbanization. Cities for All. This is taking place primarily on account of 5 factors, this urbanization. 1, employment. 2nd, education. 3rd, entertainment. 4th, economic activity. And 5th, health care. As all these 5 important factors are mostly available in urban areas, people are migrating in large number to urban areas. This has been the worldwide trend. In context to rural, the reason for migration amounting for most of the urbanization in India and other developing countries, urban areas initially appeal as land of opportunities to become oceans of distress. That is the reality. Once moved in, migrants have no choice but to live with hardships of lack of affordable housing, job opportunities, not materializing as expected, and inequitable share in urban space and amenities. The result is growth of slums and further deterioration in urban life. These are the challenges in the front of expanding urbanization. So we were all assembled here. We should focus our attention how to make urban life more comfortable to the people in cities. That is the need of the hour. In India, every citizen has got a right to live anywhere in the country, and hence migration to urban areas cannot be prevented. Large-scale migration is taking place. Urbanization is a reality. It's a challenge, but Government of India want to convert this challenge into a great opportunity and improve the living standards of the people. So is the case with regard to the Telangana government also. The states and center together, we want to work as Team India and see to it that people are provided with the basic amenities both in urban areas as well as in rural areas. Friends, urbanization is inevitable, as I told you, and we have decided to seize this opportunity and move forward. Globally, more people live in urban areas than rural areas. 54% of the world population residing in urban areas as per the census of 2014. Cities are growing at an unprecedented speed. In emerging economies, the urban population is expected to be double by 2030, adding 2 billion more people. It is estimated that 66% of the global population could be urban by 2050. Built-up area in urban areas will increase by 1.2 million square kilometers, nearly tripling the global urban land area in 2000. Today, the most urbanized regions include North America, 82%, Latin America and Caribbean, 80%, Europe, 73%. In contrast, Africa and Asia remain mostly rural with 40% and 48% of their respective population to urbanize further over coming decades. However, Asia